Hi, hello, this is PGR. You're watching PGR's Indian Recipes. If in case you're not subscribed to my videos, please hit the subscribe button. Tandoori chicken. This is usually prepared by roasting the chicken in a cylindrical clay oven. This was originated from the subcontinent. You can find this dish all over the world. When we are making this dish at home, we cannot have clay ovens at home. So we're gonna use an alternate available at home, that is gonna be your electrical ovens. Let's look to see how tandoori chicken is made. So I have taken 1 kilogram of chicken whole legs. We will cut slits on the chicken for marination. Now I have taken 100 ml of thick curd. We will add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2.5 teaspoon of tandoori masala powder that we prepared in our previous video. We will add salt for taste, lemon juice extracted from half a lemon, we will mix as well. Now for the marination, I'm going to take the chicken piece in my hand and I'm going to apply this paste on this chicken so that the masala gets into the chicken. Now that we have applied the masala to the chicken, we will allow it to marinate overnight. The chicken has been marinating overnight, so it's time for us to cook the chicken. I have taken a medium-sized oven pan and I'm going to grease it with 2 to 3 teaspoons of refined oil. We'll place the marinated chicken. I've set the oven to 250 degrees and I've set the time to 37 minutes. We will preheat the oven for 2 to 3 minutes and after that we will place the chicken into the oven. Once the oven times out, we will remove the chicken from the oven. To get the flavor of the charcoal, what I have done is I have burnt a piece of charcoal I'm going to place it in between the chicken. We'll pour 1 drop of oil on the burnt charcoal for it to fume. Now that charcoal is fuming, we will cover it with a foil. We will allow this for 2 to 3 minutes, then we will remove the foil. Your tandoori chicken is ready. If in case you missed out the ingredients, please look at the description below to find the ingredients for cooking and the method for cooking. Hope you loved this video. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.